O baka trip niyong pumila, ari ang bagong pinipilahan din sa Binondo yon. Hanggang doon ang pila dito.
Okay, hello everyone. This is Nono Park. And I'm Gigi. I will introduce our product for you. Inspired by the ancient Chinese traditional dishes.
Yun, nilagay na. Alam may kalamay na puti Ligat
This is mango sago, Hong Kong style. The inside is the cream cheese, fresh mango, grapefruit, and leper. Leper is different to our leper. When you taste it, it will pour out your mouth. Topping is the coconut powder, mocha mango. We use good quality of mocha, so it's not too sweety. But fresh mango inside, so they can make balance. Chocolate chips with cream cheese mixed. Then the topping is butter chips, sea salt chocolate with the salted cream cheese and the orange cookies inside mix. Rice powder on the topping. This one to take off. Thank you.
Nakakatuwa naman yung may-ari, very energetic. Kahit ganito na ang haba ng pila, kahit sobrang nakakapagod. Kami nga na pumila, almost 2 hours kami pumila. Siya pa na siya yung nagsaserve. Tapos, ligat ito yung may fruits. So yan, may cream cheese na konti. And then, may mango. Ito yung mango sago. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Yung bite na yon, huli tayo pinila namin. Yung cream cheese, yung fresh mango, wow. Sobrang tagal ng waiting time kasi bawat isa, ginagawa nila, hindi sila naka-ready na yung mga mochi. Bawat order, doon pa lang nila gagawin. Chocolate, ito yung chocolate. Parang chocolate mousse. Mas nagustuhan ko yung mango sago. Pinaka-mochi masarap ito yung Oreo sea salt. Yung cream cheese yung nalalasahan ko. And then a little Oreo flavor. Again, sarap ng mochi nila Ang ganda ng texture. Ito yung bestseller nila. Matcha mango. Parang ngayon ko lang masusubukan ng combination ng matcha mango. Ito yung maraming bumibili. Kita nyo naman, fresh mango yan. Tapos yung mangga, yung matcha flavor niya, very subtle lang. Ang highlight dito yung mangga. Ay, siya tigme kung napapaibig!